Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is actually a review on some press-on nails, which is from the company called All Dashing. I'll leave all the details below in the description box. These items were actually kindly gifted for the review. Yeah, so if this is the type of video you like, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell button. Let's get into the video. So yeah, I got contacted quite a few months ago during lockdown from All Dashing Nails. They have a nice selection. I can leave it on the screen here. Lots of different press-on nails, obviously easy to apply. Obviously during lockdown a lot of salons have been shut, and it would be nice to be able to just do something that looks like a professional manicure but on yourself, quick and easy. So they sent me these lovely two sets. I got to choose actually. So the first set that I chose were these black ones, which come in the box like that. They've obviously got this nice sort of detailing on here. So I really liked those. Obviously you get quite a number of, because I've got quite small thumbs, so they give you quite a selection of sizes so that you can find something that does fit your hand. The other shade that I got as well was this sort of grey shade, which has got like sort of diamante on there as well, which I thought was really nice. So obviously we're going to be applying one of the sets today, and I think seeing as my hands look an absolute mess, as you can see, no nails, looking dreadful, I'm going to be sprucing them up today. So I think today we're going to be I'm going to try the grey set today, and we'll just see how that looks. So let's just unbox this, and then I'm going to move the camera position so that you can see what I'm doing. So inside the box, it's got some sort of step-by-step instructions on the back there. So basically, it's dead easy. Just pick your size, wipe using an alcohol wipe. That's basically just to take some of the moisture and grease off the nail to help the adhesion. Peel off the film, because these nails are brilliant because they already come with the sticky back on the back of the nail, so they're dead quick. Press down firmly for at least 15 seconds and then just file where necessary. As easy as that. So inside the box you get a nice selection of nails, as you can see there. Plenty of different sizes to fit your nails. You also get a couple of the prep pads, along with a little cuticle stick and a little nail file. So yeah, we've got those as well. And then obviously you get extra sort of adhesions as well, so you can wear these as many times as you want to, which is really good. And yeah, so let's get on to putting these on. I'm going to start fitting up the size of the nails first. I think that's probably the best bet. Get one size fitted up without attaching them, and then once we come to putting the alcohol wipe on, we can literally just pop the nail in place. Right, so I picked all the nails that I need, which are here, and I am going to get this open, which is the little white. What I'm going to do as well for a bit of extra adhesion is I'm just going to buff the surface slightly to help the sticky stick better. Get my little cuticle stick. Right, so I'm going to get my alcohol wipe, and you do get two of these. I'm going to rip that open, and this will just dehydrate the nail a little bit. So give them a wipe over to take off any excess oil. Right, so let that just dry a little bit. And then we're going to be applying these nails. So first off the thumb, which I measured, and you literally just take the little label off the back. It's got an extra little tab. I don't know whether you can see that little tab there. I'm going to be pulling that off. And popping that in place. Hold for 15 seconds. There we go. That looks very nice. Right, next one is this one. Press. Next one is this one. And then I'm going to have the diamante on my third finger, which is this one. This one's a little bit shorter for some reason, so I'm going to shorten all the nails afterwards. And the baby one. Right, and that's it, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna just file the nails because obviously some of them are much longer than the other ones, as you can see at the back there. These ones are very long, and I'm gonna just file them down a little bit, and then I'm gonna do the other hand, and then I'll come back to you. So I'll see you shortly. Hi guys, so yeah, we're all finished now, and this is the final look. If you can see that. They look really good. They literally took me less than 10 minutes to do. I really like how they've turned out. I have shortened a couple of the nails at the front there, these two, because they were a little bit long. They still are a little bit long, but I'm going to leave them. But yeah, I really love them, and it was just so quick and easy to apply. And yeah, they feel quite firm as well. They were fine while I was filing them. Obviously, I'd still sort of adhere to normal sort of nail rules, which is like don't stick them in water, which is the rule anyway for any type of extension nail, because obviously water is just going to get in there. So I would always wear your rubber gloves, people. So yeah, so I really love these. Lovely. Thank you to All Dashing for sending me these and for letting me to try them. I think they're absolutely brilliant. If you haven't got nails on, you just want to nip, if you're just going out for the evening and you just want a quick manicure because you've not had time to get in at the salon, this is right up your street. If you're one of those people that like to do stuff at home instead of going to the salon but like to have nice nails, I know sometimes during lockdown I've put my own sort of gel polish on there, and it can be a little bit time consuming. It can take about 30 minutes to do. This is if you're in a rush as well, you get a perfect manicure in less than 10 minutes. So brilliant, really love them. So go try them out. I'll leave all the info below. That's everything for the video. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!